Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. This is one of the easiest tiramisu recipe that you can make at home. It is so delicious. First, you're going to take 3 egg yolks and then add 1/4 cup of sugar with it. Then you're going to take a double boiler. Double boiler is basically you take 1 bowl of water and you boil it, and over that you put your bowl. So I tried mixing it with hand, but it was taking so long. Then I used my electric hand mixer and I mixed it really well from low to high speed. The color is going to change from yellow to a bit off-white. For cream cheese, I am using this Philadelphia cream cheese. I took almost 200 grams of cream cheese and I'm going to whip it. So when you whip it, it will become light, airy. I already started to whip it over here. As you can see, it has rise in volume as well as I started whipping it. Now you're going to whip your whipped cream. So never buy this whipped cream. This was not a good option. We always buy dairy. This was a non-dairy option. I was in a rush, so I couldn't see it because it actually smelled like coconutty and dalda, if you know what dalda is. So always go for the dairy one. So I whipped it till it rose in volume. Now go back to the egg that I have mixed before. So now I'm going to add my cream cheese over here slowly. You know, one spoon, then another spoon like this. And you can add some vanilla essence if you want. Then whip it really well. Then slowly I'm going to add my cheese, and after that I'm going to add my whipped cream. I'm done adding my cheese mixture. Now I'm adding the whipped cream. You can see the texture of the whipped cream. It's so nice and fluffy. My cheese mixture for the tiramisu is ready. So now it's time to layer. Now make your coffee, you know. You can add a bit of sugar if you want. I did not. And I do not use ladyfingers. So I slowly dipped my Mary biscuits in coffee. Then I put biscuits, then a layer of my cream. And one more tip, don't dip it for too long, you know, just put it and then take out. So then after putting this, then again I repeated the same process. Another layer of biscuits and then another layer of the mousse. Now pop it in the fridge for however long. It's best if you keep it overnight. As we were craving it for so long, we only kept it for like 2 hours. It set really well, as you can see. And oh, don't forget to garnish with cocoa powder on top. I was so happy. Yay!